is take a square piece of paper and fold it in half. Unfold the piece of paper and fold it in half again, going down the crease you just made. Oh yeah, and now what we're going to do, we're going to fold all four corners to the center point, like so. La-da-dee, la-da-da, schnozzle, hazzle, ra-da-da-da, razzle-dazzle. Fold in the corner to the center, going from the center to the corner, la-la. Okay, so now that we've folded the corners to the center, let's turn the paper over. Flip the paper, and we're going to fold the top side and the bottom side to the center. Just like that, you see? Do the same thing on the bottom side there. And while you're folding, do your best to keep the paper centered. There you go. Now we're going to unfold slightly, like this, and that. So your paper should look exactly like this, or maybe even better. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take the flap and put it on top of the other one. And you see that corner there? We're going to fold that to the center, as well as the bottom corner there. Fold the top to the center, the bottom to the center, like so. Now, move both flaps over, covering the folds you just made. And we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Just so you know, the music that you're hearing right now was made by me, Jake Dixon. Now, take the top flap, cover it, cover those new folds that you just made, smooth it out, nice, and flip the paper over again. Now, we're going to press the sides together, like so. Your crown is almost done. We just need to make sure everything is lined up. If it's not perfect, don't worry about it. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to open it from the bottom. Yep, just pull it, stretch it, and now, with the magic of stop motion, we are going to round out the crown. Check it out. There is your paper crown. I'm Jake Dixon. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and let me know how your paper crown turned out. See you next time.